In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up an invoice manager in Notion and integrate it with Pop Invoice. By the end, you'll have an organized system for tracking invoices and a workflow that makes managing client payments much easier. Open Notion and go to the Templates gallery. Search for Invoice Manager, then choose a template that fits your needs. Click Use this template or duplicate to add it to your workspace. Once the template is added, customize it by entering your business information, client details, invoice numbers, payment status, due dates, and any other fields you want to track. You can also add your company logo or adjust the layout to match your workflow. To connect Pop Invoice, open the integration or automation settings provided by Pop Invoice and authorize access to your Notion workspace. Select the Invoice Manager database you want to use, then map the invoice fields so information is synced correctly between both services. After the connection is complete, create a test invoice in Pop Invoice and confirm that it appears in your Notion Invoice Manager with the correct details. This helps verify that the integration is working as expected. If the integration doesn't work, make sure you've connected the correct Notion workspace, granted the required permissions, and selected the right database during setup. That's how to use Invoice Manager and integrate it with Pop Invoice in Notion. Thanks for watching.